Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and guys, today we are checking out one of my absolute favorite units on the lot today. This is a Dynamax Isata V 30FW. At a little over 33 feet long and loaded with every single option available, y'all have got to come on in and check this one out. Here on the exterior of this coach, you've got the full body paint. This is the Explorer Light full body paint option. Very select units get this actual paint option. Truma AquaGo tankless hot water, huge power awning with auto retract, Signia outdoor TV, and plenty of storage underneath it. Guys, y'all have got to come on in. This entry door is full keyless entry, so guys, come on in. The Ram 5500 chassis of this Isata V is fully loaded. 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, Aisin transmission, and it's got all the safety features as well, with adaptive cruise control, cameras all the way around. It's even got push button 4-wheel drive. The interior of this Isata is just as nice as the exterior, with a full residential refrigerator, a 3-burner stovetop, convection microwave, true wood cabinetry with backlit cabinetry, plenty of kitchen storage with even a flip-up little island as well. And guys, you can fit the whole family. You've got a queen-size bed up here, extra TV. It seats and sleeps 6 people. The master bedroom of this coach is actually really spacious, with a queen-size bed and a huge cedar-lined closet in the back, motion sensing lighting, and a 4-drawer drawer stack underneath it. Here in the bathroom of this coach, you have a true porcelain toilet, a 36-inch shower, and then the best part is it's actually got a Truma AquaGo tankless hot water also. Guys, y'all have got to come out and check this Isata out. It will not last long. It is loaded out with every single option available. Air ride suspension, push button 4-wheel drive, it's even got remote start. Guys, y'all have got to come here at 1213 Collier Drive in Conway. It's ready when y'all are.